You ever hear a '68 Plymouth Barracuda rumble back to life after decades in the dark? That sound will wake the dead, and maybe your neighbors too. I dragged this beast out of a dusty barn, half buried in boxes and memories, and knew right then she had stories left to tell. First thing I did was yank out that tired old small block and bolt in a built 340 V8 with a rowdy cam and dual quads. Now she doesn't just purr, she howls like a beast unleashed. Every inch got some love. Fresh paint in a deep metallic blue that catches the sun like liquid steel, chrome polished till you can see your smirk, and a stance that screams, move or get moved. Inside, black bucket seats hug you tight, custom gauges keep you honest, and a Hurst shifter reminds you this ride means business. The ladies in the shop kept the cold drinks flowing and handed me wrenches faster than a pit crew on race day. This Barracuda's no trailer queen. She's built to run hard and raise hell at every stoplight. If you see her coming, you'll know, loud, proud, and for sale, if you've got the guts to own her. So, what ride should I resurrect next? Drop your dream car in the comments, and let's see if you've got the imagination to keep up.